Pawpaw, Sammy, and Allybug here. I'm in Walmart. I'm going to show y'all something. Look at the time on that clock. Okay? Yeah, now just watch the time. Do not look at the time on the digital clocks, but look at the time on the rest of the clocks. Look at it. Now, it's getting better. It gets way better. Now look at the time on all these clocks. Notice them. Now there got to be a reason wherever clock in this store is set a few minutes after 10 o'clock. Now what that reason is, I have no idea, but it's kind of weird. After walking the whole store, every clock I found, it said just a few minutes after 10. Now there's got to be a reason. I would imagine it's something to do with how they check the clocks when they come offline to make sure they're working right. Other than that, I can think of no reason, except it's, in my way of thinking, it's just unusual.